at the 2018 Detroit Autorama. I've got with me today Glenn Ross from JH Restorations. You know, out of Windsor, Ontario, y'all put out some of the best cars coming out of Canada.
Thank
Just
you, Danny.
Beautiful. And today we've got a 1965 Oldsmobile 442. You know, I think we saw this car debut at 2017 SEMA.
Yes, we were in Vegas this year.
Tell us a little bit about this beautiful thing.
Okay, well listen, thanks for the opportunity with Danny and Steele Rubber. We're very fortunate that this is a 1965 Olds 442. It was actually built in Van Nuys, California. It was first in Houston, Texas. And then Danny had went to Florida. I brought it home to Canada about 10, 12 years ago. You know what, we've been working on it for so long, I can't remember.
Sure.
But about, say, 10 years ago. The boys at JH Restorations did a complete rebuild. There was a sunroof back in the 70s. A lot of the young kids that somebody got this car, they put a sunroof in it, one of those $149 sunroofs. We had to take that out of the car. But basically, overall, the sheet metal was very, very good. We dipped it all. As you can see, we worked on dropping in an LS motor.
Sure.
And we wanted to make it look like an original 400 Oldsmobile motor, so we doctored it up a little bit, hid the coil packs. We got fast fuel injection. We worked with a number of great sponsors like yourself at Steele Rubber, and just very fortunate that we've been able to show the car here in Detroit Autorama.
Well, you've definitely left no detail untouched. You know, the interior is beautiful, the engine just looks great, looks powerful, looks strong, and the paint is just outstanding on it. You know, and you have to protect all that stuff, and that's where the weather stripping comes in.
Well, and this is the key. I mean, as you mentioned, it's got 12 coats of paint on it to start with, 4 copper, 4 red, 4 clear. But the key to success, as you mentioned, is the quality of the rubber. And as we've discussed, I mean, you can do the paint, you can do the body and fit of the panels and everything, but it's the steel rubber, it's the quality of the rubber that makes the difference. Because this is just like a new car. I mean, the whole idea is to use your products with all our builds. Just listen. It sounds like a new Mustang. It sounds like a new Camaro.
Yep.
And I mean, that's where Steele Rubber products, whether it's the door rubbers, whether it's the trunk rubber, whether it's the hood to cowl seals, all the windows, and all the little things, all the little pieces of rubber. Quality number one, we never have a vehicle, whether it's a truck or car, leave the shop without Steele Rubber.
Well, we really appreciate it. That's the stories we love to hear. You know, just being able to make the car just like it was new, you know, just make it your dream rod.
Yeah. Thanks for the opportunity today.
Absolutely, thank you.
Thank you.